Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for the young sluggers out there. The Rawlings Remix Batting Gloves. If you're on the lookout for the best youth batting gloves for ages 5 to 8, you're in the right place. Let's dive into why these gloves stand out from the rest. The Rawlings Remix Batting Gloves are tailor-made for young players stepping up to the plate in T-ball or coach pitch leagues. Designed with precision, these gloves offer a perfect fit for most boys and girls in the 5 to 8 age range. The full synthetic palm provides exceptional grip, ensuring your little slugger maintains control of the bat with ease. Plus, it reduces hand sting after contact, allowing for more comfortable and confident swings. Say goodbye to sweaty palms. The sublimated mesh back of hand material wicks moisture away, keeping your young players' hands cool and dry even during intense games. These gloves aren't just a standalone product. They're part of Rawlings' Remix collection, which includes a range of gear designed to complement each other perfectly. From helmets to equipment bags, Rawlings has got you covered. The Youth XS size is crafted to fit snugly, measuring 5 inches from the base of the palm to the tip of the middle finger. It's essential to get the right fit to ensure maximum comfort and performance on the field. Priced competitively, the Rawlings Remix batting gloves offer fantastic value for the quality they provide. Compared to other options on the market, these gloves strike the perfect balance between affordability and performance. So, there you have it, the Rawlings Remix batting gloves, the ultimate choice for young players aged 5 to 8 who are serious about stepping up their game. With enhanced grip, moisture-wicking technology, and a perfect fit, these gloves are a game-changer on the diamond. Thanks for tuning in to today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep swinging for the fences.